Namaste to all dear warriors. Here I am with a new video relating to income tax 1. See, this is for especially for BCom tax procedures and practices first semester students. On their request I have been made this video. Okay, one of the student asked me to make a important questions list relating to income tax 1, and this is for first semester students of special course BCom tax procedures and practices. So without wasting further more time, let us start our discussion relating to this. तो इस वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना और अपने दोस्तों को पहुंचाने का काम आप लोगों का है, बिकॉज दिस इज स्पेशल कोर्स. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स मे नॉट बी अवेयर ऑफ माय चैनल. सो ये जो भी इनकम टैक्स 1 टैक्स प्रोसीजर का कोर्स वाले हैं उन तक पहुंचाने का काम आपका है. सो शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, इट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर देम. एंड 100% मैं बोल रहा हूँ यही, ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस लिस्ट है वही से क्वेश्चन पेपर आएगा. पास गारंटी नहीं, स्कोर भी कर सकते इफ़ यू फॉलो माय स्ट्रैटेजी, राइट. सो लेट अस सी दी क्वेश्चंस रिलेटिंग टू इट. लेट अस सी one by one relating to this. See, income tax 1 we are discussing, and first unit introduction. See, in first unit itself more number of questions will be there, because most of the topics are covered here, different concepts relating to tax. Okay, so assessment year and previous year, exception to assessment year and previous year, person gross total income, rebate under section 87A, deemed income, पैन, ये शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस जो है ना, एंड अससी, डीम्ड अससी, डिफॉल्ट अससी, ये आपको ज़्यादातर पूछने वाले शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं. And sometimes they may ask income definition, types of taxes definition, definition of India as a surprise package, short questions में. Next long questions. सर इतने सारे पढ़ना है क्या? सर फर्स्ट यूनिट से 2 शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस आ जाते कभी कभी, एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस में रिपीटेड क्वेश्चंस नहीं है. रिपीटेडली is asking means that will be residential status, canons of tax, and difference between direct tax and indirect taxes. Okay, sometimes they may ask the residential status of other person, and characteristics of tax structure in India, and objectives of tax. These are B category questions. Okay, B category questions है. And न्यू प्रोविज़न रिलेटिंग टू सेक्शन 115 BAC न्यू टैक्स रिजीम से रिलेटेड एक थियरी क्वेश्चन आने के चांस है. दिस इफ दे आर आस्किंग दैट वुड बी ग्रेट थिंग, बिकॉज दिस इज न्यूली इंसर्टेड प्रोविज़न इन द इनकम टैक्स. बट उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी वाले ओल्ड सिलेबस फॉलो करने वाले क्वेश्चन पेपर्स प्रिपेयर करते वक्त कभी कभी ऐसे क्वेश्चन जो अमेंडमेंट्स है वो पूछ सकते, कभी कभी नहीं पूछ सकते. नेक्स्ट यूनिट 2 इज रिलेटिंग टू एग्रीकल्चर इनकम एंड एग्जेम्प्टेड इनकम्स. सो हियर शॉर्ट एंड लॉन्ग क्वेश्चंस टुगेदर आई एम टेलिंग. समटाइम्स दिस विल बी आस्क्ड एज ए व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर इनकम, ओके, और components of agriculture income, like that. Determinants of agriculture incomes are conditions of agriculture income. Okay, basic conditions, additional conditions, like that. Short questions may be asked what is agriculture income and conditions relating to agriculture income. शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, कभी कभी डायरेक्ट लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा एग्रीकल्चर इनकम से रिलेटेड. दिस इज वन ऑफ द ए कैटेगरी क्वेश्चंस. ओके, नेक्स्ट exempted incomes under section 10. दिस इज रिपीटेडली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन, ए कैटेगरी का है. What are treated as non-agriculture incomes though related to land? This is B category question, sometimes will be asked. Partly agriculture income, partly business income. वो टी रबर कॉफ़ी वाला. ओके, एंड रूल 7A, रूल 8 related questions will be asked here in this part. And problems relating to agriculture income, partial integration. Okay, step 2, calculation of tax on total income, that is agriculture income plus non agriculture income. okay, ये दो ऐड करके टोटल इनकम फाइंड आउट करते हैं. इफ एग्रीकल्चर इनकम एक्सीड्स ₹5,000 एंड नॉन एग्रीकल्चर इनकम इज एक्सीड्स बेसिक एग्जम्पशन लिमिट. कंडीशंस पता होगा आप लोगों को. So first you will calculate step 1, tax on agriculture income and non-agriculture income. Next step 2 you will calculate tax on exempted incomes, that is agriculture income plus basic exemption limit. ये दो आप ले लेके step 1 tax minus step 2 tax you will do, and if any rebate or cess or surcharge, if any applicable, you will add them. That is called partial integration question. And partly agriculture income, partly business income, tea, rubber, coffee related problems might be asked. Okay, so be careful with these type of questions. Theory and problems दोनों आने के चांस है. Next, one of the major part of income tax syllabus, that is unit 3, salaries. okay, salaries में nowadays question paper is been prepared, one theory question, one problem. If both problems comes you can easily do, but sometimes they may ask theory plus problems. Short questions, what is charging section? okay, section 15 of in salary. Deductions under section 16, professional tax paid, and other deductions under section 16. okay, standard deduction 50,000, and entertainment allowance to government employees, those 3 points will come under this category. Advance salary and arrears of salary concept. okay, theory and problems may come relating to short questions में what is HRA, what is rent free accommodation, entertainment allowance, motor car, gratuity, pension. These may be asked as a theory or problem. So these are the things relating to short questions. And long questions, provisions relating to allowances, perquisites taxable to all employees, both specified and non-specified. Perquisites taxable in the hands of specified employees only. लिस्ट आउट द टैक्स फ्री परक्विजिट्स और एग्जेम्प्टेड परक्विजिट्स. परक्विजिट्स के ऊपर भी एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. एंड यू कैन फाइंड ऑल दिस in my YouTube channel as a playlist is there. Don't worry about assessment year. okay, there are no changes, so you can follow the previous year related whatever unit 1 unit 2 videos are there, those you can easily follow. And next, list out the this I have just said now. Sometimes as a surprise package, okay, C type of category question. okay, provisions relating to various provident fund, SPF, PPF, URPF, RPF. okay, which is taxable at what time, that we need to write a provisions relating to this. Explain the provisions relating to retirement benefit, gratuity, pension and leave encashment. इससे रिलेटेड भी एक थियरी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, बी कैटेगरी में लगा सकते हैं आप. एंड नेक्स्ट, प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग टू प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग टू आपके क्वेश्चंस है। ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 6 आप ये करके चाहिए सैलरी से रिलेटेड, एंड प्रीवियस ईयर एग्जाम मॉडल पेपर्स you can find it from SIA book, you can do it from there. Effect of section 115 on income from salary head. सैलरी हेड में सेक्शन 115 BAC का ఎఫెక్ట్ कैसे है, దట్ రిలేటెడ్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్, దానిపైన ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగే ఛాన్స్ ఉందమ్మా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ యూనిట్ 4 హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ రిలేటెడ్. సో హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ రిలేటెడ్ షార్ట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, అన్రియలైజ్డ్ రెంట్, అరియర్స్ ఆఫ్ రెంట్, టర్మ్స్ ఆఫ్ మున్సిపల్ రెంటల్ వాల్యూ, ఫేర్ రెంటల్ వాల్యూ, స్టాండర్డ్ రెంటల్ వాల్యూ relating to them, and section 22 of house property charging section, deemed owner concept, GAV format and problems, GAV से related आपको questions पूछ सकते हैं, and self occupied format and problems relating to self occupied. okay, 12 to 17 all these questions are from Hamsarala publication textbook. so प्रेमराज टेक्स्ट बुक जो यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसमें से ये मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर्स बता रहा हूँ, वो क्वेश्चंस आप करके जाइए. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ హంసరాల పబ్లికేషన్స్ ప్రేమరాజ్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్కి సంబంధించినవి. యూ కెన్ యూజ్ దట్ వన్. ఓకే, సాల్వ్ దోస్, దట్ ఈస్ ఎనఫ్. అండ్ లాంగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్, డిడక్షన్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఇన్కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ అండర్ సెక్షన్ 16 వాట్ ఎవర్ డిడక్షన్, సారీ, హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ ఈజ్ నాట్ 16, అండర్ సెక్షన్ 24. okay, 24A standard deduction, 24B interest on loan taken for purchase of house property, okay, or construction of house property, section 24B, that related questions, deductions, and deemed let out property provisions. Problem number, question number 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11 and 18 to 23, all those questions you just solve these questions, that would be enough. okay, let out without unrealized rent with vacancy loss. there is no unrealized rent but there is vacancy loss. let out problem with unrealized rent and vacancy loss, दोनों भी मिला के. deemed let out out of 3 houses problems are there. okay, and one question, part of the period let out and part of the period self occupied. all these questions you can find related videos in my YouTube channel. Aspirants in the quest of knowledge is my YouTube channel. you can find the videos relating to this and those will be helpful for you. ప్లేలిస్ట్ में जाए तो आपको హౌస్ ప్రాపర్టీ ప్లేలిస్ట్ ఒకటి ఉంది, అందులో నుంచి చూసి చేసేయచ్చు. పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ హౌస్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ అండ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది హౌస్ లెట్ అవుట్. సి, హౌస్లో ఒక పార్ట్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆక్యుపైడ్ ఉంది, ఇంకా మిగిలిన పార్ట్ లెట్ అవుట్ ఇచ్చినాం, అట్లాంటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎట్లా చేస్తాం. వన్ ఈజ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది పీరియడ్. పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది పీరియడ్ we will treat whole house as let out only, and MRV, FRV, ARV you will consider for 12 months. MRV, FRV, standard rent, all these things you will consider for 12 months, but ARV will be considered only for let out period. Ignore the self occupied period and do the problem. That is the concept relating to part of the period let out, part of the period self occupied. Next, sometimes there are illustration problems also relating to co-ownership. Co-ownership problem भी एक बार करके जाइए. Next, business or profession, you will call it as profits and gains from business or profession also. Last unit but not least unit, very important one. okay, but people will think this is difficult one. यहाँ पे एक थियरी क्वेश्चन भी आने के चांस है. ఓకే, ప్రాబ్లమ్ని ఇగ్నోర్ చేయకండి, థియరీ వస్తుందని, బట్ థియరీ రాకుండా ప్రాబ్లం చేయలేం. ఛార్జింగ్ సెక్షన్ 28 ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ ఇన్కమ్, define business income and professional income, block of asset, depreciation problem. These will be asked as a short question, and in long, okay, explain the provisions relating to calculation of depreciation as per Income Tax Act 1961, difference between capital receipts and revenue receipts, difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure, difference between capital and revenue loss. These differences will come as a theory question, and depreciation related one theory question may be asked. Okay. Next, explain the various expenses and incomes disallowed or inadmissible. This type of theory question may be asked as B category question. एंड कंप्यूटेशन फॉर्मेट ऑफ बिजनेस इनकम, एक बार फॉर्मेट देखिए कर लीजिए. एंड प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग टू प्रोफेशनल इनकम, डॉक्टर, एडवोकेट, CA with illustration you do, that would be enough. Okay, one business problem will come, one problem will come relating to profession. So practice the problems relating to profession and learn this theory. If you can't do the problem relating to business, no problem, but ये पूरे थियरी करके ఈ థియరీ అంతా చేసుకొని డాక్టర్, అడ్వకేట్, CA, like this illustration problems are there. Okay, professional income related questions, you do those, that would be enough. And ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ के लिए जो నంబర్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ స్పెసిఫైడ్, నేను ఏవైతే క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్స్ చెప్పినో, ఓకే, ఆల్ ఆర్ ఫ్రమ్ హంసరాల పబ్లికేషన్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. యూ యూజ్ దట్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, దట్ వుడ్ బి ఎనఫ్. ప్రిపేర్ ది బెస్ట్, perform better than the best. Okay, all the best to you all from my side. And please, if you don't have not subscribed, just subscribe the channel and like करो. इस वीडियो के लिए मेरा लाइक्स टारगेट है 50, so that it can be useful to all other students who are having tax procedures and practices as their become course. ఓకే, ఉన్ సబ్ తక్ పहुंचना बोले तो వాళ్ళందరి దగ్గరికి చేరాలి అంటే లైక్ చేయండి వీడియోని అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి ఛానల్ని. దట్ వుడ్ బి బెటర్ ఫర్ ఫర్దర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్, రైట్? అండ్ దిస్ ఫైల్ ఐ విల్ పుట్ ఇన్ ది డిస్క్రిప్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది వీడియో డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో నేను ఏం చేస్తా అంటే ఈ ఫైల్ పెట్టేస్తా, యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఇట్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.